poppin', y'all? It's the YANDYMANE. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? We back at it again today with another video. So today, I know y'all see these pumpkins right here, these big things right here. Today, me and my little brother Kai,
what's up?
Samurai Kai, we finna carve these pumpkins right now, and you know we finna see whose is better. Mine is obviously gonna be better just because you know I'm black. But anyways, we're gonna cut them. What he's carving is the pump, like one of the instructions they gave us, or one of the stencils, whatever you call it. He's gonna do this one right here, and then me, your boy, just like decided to go like off track, do something different.
You do a soul eater.
Yeah, why you gotta spoil it for everybody? But anyways, I'm a different breed, so I'm finna do the soul eater logo on my pumpkin. We finna get right into it. We gonna see whose is better. Obviously, I just said it. Mine is gonna be better. He might have something. I kind of doubt it, but let's get into it. All right. So the first thing we gotta do is, you know, we gotta get our starter saw, and we gotta, you know, cut the bottom, cut around the booty, because you know we don't like. We gotta get it in there, get in them guts. All right. I feel like I'm doing this wrong, but I'm doing it right at the same time.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but okay.
Should I punch it? Damn, that shit hard. Oh my gosh. Bruh, what? That shit hard. I just want to let y'all know that I don't usually do this, you know. And every time I have done this, it was with my mother. And you know, she an adult. I mean, I low-key am an adult, but I'm like, bitch. Yeah. Oh, that shit hurts. Alright. Oh, alright. Let's see if my pull-up game is strong.
I doubt it.
Okay, it's not looking like you guys.
Okay, big fella.
Oh.
Take the scoop.
There we go. Ooh, that smells bad. Oh. I need a bag. Hold on, Carve. We're not finna use that yet. But anyways, your boy did the bottom. That was needed. Okay. Alright, so now I gotta do it all over again with Kai's pumpkin because, bro, I don't know what I just said just now, but that sure wasn't pumpkin. But I'm about to do Kair's pumpkin right now because, you know, your boy is like scared to do it.
I'm gonna sock you.
It's whatever. But you know, I'm doing my big brother duties, you feel me? Alright, but this time I'm gonna like do his, I'm gonna try to do his good, so I'm gonna draw a circle. That's like the best circle I've ever drawn in my life. That's crazy. Alright. Feels like I'm stabbing somebody like 80 million times.
You like stabbing people?
Ah! Come on. Alright, you ready for the big punch? Here we go. They call me Yandy Lee, man. Alright, but anyways. Now it's time to pull it out. Is my pull-out game strong for this one? I'm gonna say yes.
That's.
Oh dang, this one got grip. Oh, there we go. Yeah. But your boy managed to get it out. Got it out. Got the burr out. Alright. Got the burr. Big burr.
Shut up.
If you don't know how to cover pumpkin and you're learning with me, the second step is to get in them guts and take them all out. You gotta take out all the seeds and all that type of stuff. So right now, I'm finna let my little brother use the scooper, which is that comes with like the kit or whatever. But you know, a real man like me, a real person like me, finna use my hands, bro. I know y'all watch Friday, bro. Y'all remember when he was like, with these, son, you win some, you lose some. I'm not finna lose this though. Is you ready?
Shut up, yes.
All right, let's do it.
Where you put the scooper at?
I just put it right there.
You left it in the pumpkin.
Oh, get it.
Actually, I'm doing this.
Ooh. That was a little bit. That was like 2.
Shut up. Just imagine.
Let me help you out real quick. So we can get this joint done.
Big brother duties.
What's the deal?
I said big brother duties.
Facts. When I came down. Ooh. Wow.
You gotta clean all this up. I'm gonna slap you. I'm gonna slap you.
I'm gonna cry. Alright, so just got done gutting both of the pumpkins. Let's look at the finished product. This is mine right here. And then this is Kai's. You know. Alright, and bring it back. Alright, now, so the next step is we gotta, you know, put on our designs. So we finna do that right now. Hey, that one crazy. Alright, this one.
Oh.
Look at me being amazing. Okay.
Look at you being.
Shut up. Yeah.
You
Move.
should.
Stop. Don't do nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
You know that you're a bad drawer.
Huh? Shut up. Oh my gosh, you hate it, but it's looking like mine just coming in. You feel me? Dang, you messed it up. You wanna draw it? Just draw it. You gotta draw it on your pumpkin. Oh yeah, you got it. Oh baby. Okay.
What?
I just seen your face.
Shut up.
I'm talking about on the pumpkin. Okay, y'all, so finally, after like 10,000 hours, we are finished with our pumpkin. My little brother had to go to sleep because he got school tomorrow, so I had to let him go. But this is his pumpkin right here. You see, so he didn't go with the what he picked out from the little booklet, but he freestyled it, and I think he did pretty good. And then we got mines right here. You know it's fire. You know it's fly as fuck. You know it's a 10 out of 10. So yeah, but these are our pumpkins though. And I'm about to show y'all what it looks like lit up. All right, y'all, so y'all see our finished product in the dark. We didn't use actual candles for these. We actually used these little lights that they get like from Michael's that came with like pumpkin carving kit. They're pretty cool. They look pretty good though. So yeah. Let me know which one y'all think is better. Is my brother's better than mine, or is mine better than his? So yeah, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video.